What I see already. Oh, it's already what? 30%. Oh, you see what I see? Is it full decor, party, floral, and craft? They are $7. Oh, they're 30% off. Peanuts. And come gather at the table. How much is this? They are 19 and these 32. So 19 will be 14. 32 will be like 25 or 20. Only 30%. Oh, this is paper. Oh, come gather at our table. It's right here. How much? 26. Oh, I'm excited already. These 15, 11, and these $3, and then this color and this color will be like $2.79. Oh, look. Oh, I need to bring out my truck from last clearance. They're 30% off. I need to come back if it's 40 at least. Ooh. Pumpkin, you are the pumpkin spice. And oh, really candle. Oh, they have this color paper candles. Spice cinnamon, $8. Okay, so with the jar, how much is it? Is it better to buy this one or with the jar? They are. It's so hard to look with one hand, okay? I'll just check it later. Oh, I can't believe holidays. Are you excited? Oh, the Snoopy. Oh, bingo. I'm so glad I live in a world where there is fall. The leaves are falling and autumn is calling. Oh, in Texas, we don't have fall leaves. So pretty. Oh, pumpkin pie. How much is it? There's $6. Pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin pie, and apple pie. Why always welcome? Can you change it to hi, hello? Oh, 42. 42. How much is 42? It'll be like 30. So pricey. I think this is reversible. Oh, it's not. Oh, it is. It's still 30, but I think I'll just come back if it's 40. But hopefully it's still there. They are, this is $4. The small one, the big one is 11. Oh, look. Here's a bowl. How much is it? 14. After 30%, will be like, where's the sushi? And the spark. So 14 will be like 10. The hanger is $7, $10. Oh, I remember I said this one at Dollar Tree, but there's different kinds. This is $6, so if you see that at the Dollar Tree, you need to grab it. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know the feeling if you're seeing the false decoration. It's just like Unbelievable. We're already at the holiday season. And if you see there on the top, those are Christmas balls. Oh, there's Minnie Mouse over there. Minnie and Mickey Mouse. Thankful. How much? $10 and then 30% off. We love Paul, Mojo Paul. Hello, Paul. The promotion, how much is it? These are 17. Oh, $7 and $5. That color. Here's the crafty one. All the beads. Mini squirrel. Mini gnome. Mini pumpkins. Sunflower sticker. Diamond painting. What is this? I can't see it. And the sticker. So this is $7.99 and this is $4. Oh, this is bold.